Mathematics Misconception number 17. In this lesson, we are going to highlight one of the misconceptions in mathematics. In this topic of vectors, we are going to learn how to express a non-position vector as a difference of two position vectors correctly. Did you know that the vector AB is not equals to vector AO minus vector OB? Many of us would thought that they are the same, but they are not. So why are they not equal? And how do we express vector AB then? Let us examine the vector AB again. If we represent the vector AB on the Cartesian plane, vector AB would start at A and end at B. However, we can also express vector AB as vector AO plus vector OB, where O is the origin. This is shown by the two blue arrows on the diagram. Note the direction where the arrowheads are pointing. They must be pointing in the correct direction, so that the two vectors can be represented and added correctly. Next, we reverse the notation of vector AO and add a negative sign. We then have negative vector OA plus vector OB. Finally, rearranging them would give us vector OB minus vector OA. Therefore, you can clearly see that the non-position vector AB can be expressed as position vector OB minus position vector OA. This works for any other non-position vectors as well. A good way to memorize is to remember that the second letter of the non-position vector always comes first during the subtraction. That is, the letter B in vector AB appears first before the letter A. Now you know how to express a non-position vector as a difference of two position vectors.